Hi, good morning. Words are interesting, aren't they? A word can maim and hurt someone for life, or a word can heal and build someone. A word with the right intensity at the right time could change someone's life, could save someone's life. Conversely, a word held back at the right time and not said could save someone from a lifetime of pain. How do we use our words every day? Think about it. When you go out in the day, do you meet people who are cruel to you with their words and their actions on a daily basis? The chances are not so much if you really pay attention, if you're like most people. But you meet someone almost every day who's cruel to you, and more often than not, that person would be you. How you talk to yourself. There's a lot of talk going on about self-love. People put up selfies with good pictures of themselves. Well, that's one way, one level of self-love, loving your own body and how you appear. But there is something deeper about us which is just visible to the eye, and that is who we are inside, how we talk to ourselves. Perhaps we all grew up in homes where our elders spoke to us in a certain tone, not because they were intending to be mean to us, it's just the way they spoke, perhaps. But the fact is that once we have grown up, once we have had the privilege of identifying ourselves as an individual, as an adult, we don't have to talk to us in the same way. So my message to you this morning is pay attention to the words, because words can truly build or break you. And more often, the words that we use against ourselves inside can really break us over a period of time, because ultimately there's no one else inside but ourselves. So I suppose the whole idea is to be kind to ourselves. Just be kind to yourself today. Take care.